Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. My name is George Scarpin, PhD in accounting, and our topic today is concatenate function in Excel. What is this? Use concatenate on one of the text functions in Excel to join two or more text strings into one string. Copy and paste from Microsoft support website. But why is it important and how can we do it? Okay, let's go to our Excel file. And by the way, all our Excel files, they are free and the link to download it is in our video description. Okay, so it's very useful. For instance, we have a list of names. Some Best Actor Oscar winners here that I grabbed on Google. And then we have here first name and last name. That is quite common when we have a list of people, one column for the first and one column for the last name. But I want to concatenate it in only one cell, the full name. We have two ways to do that. So that's why we have full name 1 and full name 2. The first one is using the formula concatenate. So all formulas concatenate. We have two very similar formulas, concatenate and concat. So they are different. So here, concatenate, it is what we want. Okay? Okay, what do we want here? We want to concatenate first name and last name. So here, first name, then last name. Okay, let's see what we can get. Oops, that is not good. We need a space between them. So let's do it again. Let's delete second one and let's add a space. And then the last name. Now we have it. So don't forget space, commas, dots, or anything else, we need to add it as a text. So our text or our concatenate here, first cell, space, second cell. And we can add more text here. So a lot of numbers or a lot of options here, up to 255 cells. So that is more than enough, right? However, this cell here will be a text. So if we add here the text for 200 or space and then 200, this 200, it will not be a number. If we want add this one here plus 1, it will give you an error because it is a text cell. Okay, so let's delete the 200. We don't need it, so deleting 200, deleting text 4. Here, copy and paste. We have our full name. What is the second way to do that without formulas? Equal. The first one. And double quote, because it is not a cell. Space, double quote. And the second one. We have the same. So we can use the concatenate formula or equal first cell and second cell, third cell, or any text. But if we want to add any text, it must be double quoted. And then we copy and paste here, and we have all of them. Okay, guys, easy, huh? And very, very useful when we are working with a number of different cells that we want to combine in only one. We want to concatenate it. And then, okay, full names, and now we can create a column here for salary or number of movies or whatever we want to work with it. Okay, guys, so remember, This Excel file is free, and the link to download it is in our video description. So thank you so much. Questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.